Hi everyone, welcome back to another reaction video. Hope everyone's really well. So today I'm going to be reacting to Anastacia performing Who's Gonna Stop the Rain, which is one of my favourite Anastacia songs of all time. And it's a live performance I've not seen yet, so let's get straight into this video. Beautiful guitar.
There is no rose without a thorn, no rain without the storm. There is no laughter without.
And this is one of Anastacia's like hidden gem songs that you don't know if you actually have the albums and stuff.
In a world gone crazy, torn between the roads that we must choose, win or lose. Every soul should lose its way, every face should lose its name. Tell me who's gonna stop the rain? Who's gonna stop?
I just like the nice, chilled, laid back vibe about this song.
I say, who's gonna stop the rain? Yeah. Hey, yeah. How many rivers must we cross before we learn that the flood is rising higher and the bridges all have burned? Each time another dream is washed into the sea, it's another piece of you, it's another piece of me.
Beautiful head voice.
Oh, yeah. Come on, give me some love. Sure as the blood runs through your veins, sure as the falling.
And I think Anastacia's a great entertainer. I know some people might not like her voice. I think Anastacia has a voice that you either love or you hate. Personally, I love Anastacia's voice. She's also one of my favourite singers.
As the days grow colder, I wonder if we'll ever see the sun when winter comes. Yeah. If no one stands to take the weight, no one answers to the blame. Tell me who's gonna stop the rain?
So I think that's